Hello everyone. So in previous lectures I started probability. In probability, especially laws of probability. So we have already discussed additive law, multiplicative law, conditional probability. And now in this lecture we will see Bayes theorem. So laws of probability, four things. First is additive law. Second is multiplicative law, third conditional probability, and fourth is Bayes theorem. So we will see today this Bayes theorem, and we have one example for concept of Bayes theorem. And in this example we have two bags. First is A bag, and second is B bag. In this bag A, there are two orange balls and three green balls. And in second bag, we have three orange balls and four green balls. Now, one bag is selected at random, and a ball is drawn from it. If the ball drawn is found green, find the probability that the bag chosen was A. This means if we consider two separate bags, so probability of first bag is PA is equal to 1/2 as there are two bags. So this is 1/2 for second bag. Now if we are considering only this first bag, we are not considering this second one. So probability of green ball, because this question is based on green balls, that's why we are considering the green ball. So probability of green ball from bag first, if you are considering only first bag, so this is favorable ways upon total ways. So favorable, this means 3 green balls, and total balls these 3 plus 2, that is 5. And for second bag, probability of green ball, if we are considering only second bag, we are not considering first bag. So probability of green ball, 4 green balls upon total balls. So 4 plus 3, there are 7, 4/7. Now in this case, we need to select two things. First, bag should be first one, bag should be first, and ball should be green, both the probabilities. So in that situation, we will consider both the bags are mixed. The balls of both the bags are mixed, and we are drawing a ball, and this ball must be from bag A, and this ball must be of green color. So in that situation, we will write probability of green ball from bag A if we are considering two bags combined. So your target is this one. So this is considered as Bayes probability, or this problem is based on Bayes theorem. So to find solution of this type of situation, so your target is to find PA/G. So first we will explain formula, how to write a formula for PA/G. So probability of green ball from bag A. So general formula for probability is favorable ways or favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So we are in favor of second bag, so we will write probability for bag A in numerator, and probability of both the bags, this means A and B, in denominator. So first we will write probability for A. So probability for A, this one. We have these two probability, first is for bag and second is for green ball. So we will take their product. So their product in numerator for A is PA into this probability of green ball from bag A, and in denominator both the term of A and term of B. So term of A again same, this is PA into probability of green ball from bag A, and in second part for B, this one. So for this is PB into probability of green ball from bag B. Now we will put all the values. So on putting all the values, PA is equal to 1 upon 3. This G upon A is equal to 3 upon 5. And in denominator, again, repetition of 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5 for A. And for B, this is not 1 upon 3 because there are 2 bags. So this is 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon 2, and this is 1 upon 2 multiplied by probability of green ball from bag B, that is 4 upon 7. So on solving this, you will see the answer as 21 upon 41, or we can say this is equals to 0.5121. So this is the probability of green ball from bag A when we are considering both the bags. If we are considering single bag, individual bag, so we will write this common thing, green color, in numerator part. When we are taking combined, we will take this green color common part in denominator. So I hope you understand this concept of Bayes theorem. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.